Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw the Tesla Cybertruck easy. First, begin by sketching a large, elongated trapezoid to form the main body of the truck. This shape will guide your overall proportions. Next, draw a long, flat line extending from the front to the back for the roof and windshield. Finally, lightly outline the wheel wells as rounded squares, ensuring they are evenly spaced. Now, let's refine those sharp, angular lines that define the Cybertruck's unique look. Carefully define the front fascia and the rear tailgate, emphasizing their geometric precision. Next, draw the iconic triangular side windows, making sure they align with the roofline. Then, add the bed line, creating a clear separation between the cab and the truck bed. These details bring the design to life. Moving on, it's time to add the powerful wheels and distinctive lighting. Sketch the large, sturdy wheels and tires, giving them a solid, grounded appearance. Next, draw the continuous LED light bars across the front and rear of the truck, a signature Cybertruck feature. Finally, introduce subtle panel lines and door seams to give your drawing more depth and a realistic texture. You're almost there. For the final touches, carefully erase any unnecessary construction lines and clean up all your edges for a crisp finish. Then, apply some light shading to give your Cybertruck a metallic, reflective appearance, focusing on areas that would catch light. This adds a professional polish to your drawing. Remember to check the description for a link to grab some little trees, black ice, and other great deals. Your awesome drawing is now complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.